Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Google Tag Manager or Analytics and creating the container for this site. This is essential because the container holds all tags and rules. Once done, choose the web platform and copy the container ID labeled GTM or G so you can paste it later. Make sure to set the correct domain and name the container clearly for future maintenance. This prevents confusion when you add triggers and tags in the next steps. Now add the code snippets to your site. Paste the head snippet immediately after the opening head tag and the body snippet right after the opening body tag. If you use a CMS like WordPress, pick a trusted plugin and enter the container ID to avoid manual edits. Otherwise, edit your theme files carefully. Once you place or configure the snippets, publish or save changes, and clear caches so the site serves the updated code for verification in the next step. Finish by opening Preview or Debug mode in Tag Manager and using Tag Assistant to ensure tags fire on your pages. This confirms correct installation. Once tags work reliably, publish the container so tags run for all users. If tags do not fire, check that the container ID matches, verify snippets are in the right sections, clear server and browser caches, and temporarily disable ad blockers or script blockers. These are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.